Best electric scooters. Electric scooters are fun little ride to escape the traffic in your area. Recently, there has been a rise of electric scooter uses throughout the country. Like everything, electric scooters have a ton of options to choose from as well. That's why we are trying to help you making that decision. In this video, we are bringing you 5 electric scooters that are highly praised by reviewers and users alike. Like always, their links will be available in the description box for your convenience. Number 5, Segway Ninebot Max Electric Kick Scooter. The Segway Ninebot Max is a great choice if you're looking for a reliable commuter scooter with some additional fun features thrown in. Its unique selling point lies in its impressive range, but its speed is also decent for inner-city routes. The Max's revolutionary self-healing 10-inch pneumatic tires are a neat mod-con, which takes the stress out of riding over pesky potholes and greatly increases your chances of getting from A to B with no hiccups. And if you're after some decent tech, the LED dashboard and accompanying smartphone app give you a breakdown of your ride stats. The Max houses 551 Wh big capacity lithium batteries. It also boasts a smart battery management system which closely monitors battery status and protects against short-circuiting, overcurrent, and overheating. In simple terms, this makes sure the battery life of the Max is protected, lengthening its service life. Number 4, Gotrax XR Ultra Electric Scooter. The Gotrax XR Ultra is built with commuters in mind or people who want to just get around without any fuss. It's powered by an LG battery, and this model has 16 miles of range when fully charged, which is an improvement on their older models. It's mainly designed for adults, but it has a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, but younger adults will also enjoy this scooter. If you're looking for an electric scooter that won't break the bank, but can still reliably deliver you to your destination, the Gotrax XR Ultra might be for you. With easy acceleration, thanks to the single 300-watt motor and a decent hill climb, the speedy e-scooter performs admirably. Featuring a dual braking system and enhanced LG battery, it easily surpasses its predecessor. The range is limited to around 15 miles, and the look might not be to everybody's taste, but for a budget e-scooter, it's a real find and great value. Number 3, Swagtran SG5 Swagger 5 Boost Commuter Electric Scooter. The Swagtran Swagger 5 Boost features a 300W motor paired with a 37V Li-ion battery that gives this specific scooter a top speed of 18 miles per hour. It also has a maximum mileage per single charge of 11 miles, and enough climbing range to have you power through certain inclines. It's an aluminum-made lightweight scooter that weighs only 26.5 pounds. But still, it can carry weights of up to 320 pounds. On top of that, it's IPX4 rated, making sure you're safe to go through small amounts of water with some peace of mind. Some other features include 8-inch puncture-proof honeycomb tires, combining a bit of suspension, but also allowing you not to worry about flats, but more on that later, a foot brake and mechanical disc brake on the rear wheel with AutoGuard, an ample-sized deck, and LED lights on the front and back to illuminate the road. For what it's worth, the Swagtran Swagger 5 Boost is a powerful e-scooter from within its price point, with nuances only starting to come out once you compare it with more expensive entry-level e-scooters. Number 2, Evercross Electric Scooter. The Evercross H5's build quality is immediately noticeable, hefty, tough feel with clean assembly and urban-friendly features. Its wide footbase with front/rear disc brakes afford stability, while the dual-wheel suspension and removable, height-adjustable seat provide comfort over bumpy roads. What helped make this foldable, electric scooter stand out are the colorful, changing LED lights along the sides of the deck, a key to unlock the electrical system, left and right turn blinkers, and a whopping 30 miles per hour top speed. And that is where the scooter turns into questionable, legal territory. The distracting lights and maximum speed may land you a ticket, depending on where you live and ride. Evercross Electric Scooter is the perfect adult kick scooter designed for a speedy commute or a trip around town. On top of that, the easy folding mechanism allows you to take the teen scooter anywhere and everywhere. Number 1, Segway Ninebot ES4 Electric Kick Scooter. The Ninebot Segway ES4 improves on previous Ninebot models, extending its range by 12.4 miles. For the urbanite who has a longer than average commute, this is a major asset. It's not the cheapest of scooters, but its long range, decent speed, and additional features such as underdeck lighting go a long way to explain the price tag. Its solid, airless tires can mean that riding on uneven terrain isn't be the most pleasant experience, but if your commute is on smooth asphalt, then you can breeze through the streets using the impressive cruise control option and relax on your journey safe in the knowledge that your scooter is safe, reactive and long-lasting. The Ninebot ES4 is a great option for commuting and, unlike many scooters on the market, has the potential to convert into a seated scooter without compromising on speed and power. This is a bonus for those who want a comfortable ride. If you want to know more about the mentioned scooters or where to buy them, do check the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos.